Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. So we are back again with a smartphone review after a very long time, and today we have with us the Tecno Spark 8T, and in this video we will do the unboxing and will give you an overview of this phone. So guys, Tecno has sent us this phone, and this phone is available on Amazon for Rs 8,999 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the Spark 8T model written here. At the back we have the key features of this phone such as 50 megapixel AI dual camera, Helio G35 octa-core processor, 1080p Full HD plus screen, you get DTS sound, 5000 mAh battery, and this phone comes with the Super Boost system configuration. The MRP on the box is Rs 12,999, but as I said earlier, it's available on Amazon for Rs 8,999. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here we have the Tecno Spark 8T, and guys, this phone is available in 4 colors, and the one we have here is the turquoise cyan color. We will look at the phone in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have the documentation, and this includes a user guide and the warranty information. We also get this TPU back case with the Manchester City football logo on it, as the Tecno is the global partner of the Manchester City football team. And about the case, I find the quality and fit and finish of this case decent. Apart from that, in the box we get this SIM removal pin, a power adapter which has the power output of 5V 2A, and here we have the micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartphone closely. Tecno Spark 8T is an entry-level phone priced under Rs 9,000. In terms of the design and build quality, I find the build quality of this phone good, and you get this glass finish at the back which has the tagline "Stop at Nothing." So overall, in terms of the build quality, it feels good on the hand, and this phone offers decent build quality. And again, keeping in mind the pricing of this phone, the build quality is fairly good. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 6.6-inch Full HD plus screen with the dot notch, and here we can see that the bezels are very minimal. You get the screen guard already applied on the display. The camera in the front is an 8 megapixel, and also guys, you get this front flashlight. Now looking at the ports and buttons, on the right side of the phone we have the volume buttons along with the power button, and on the left side we have the triple slot SIM tray. At the bottom we have the speaker, micro USB charging port, a headphone jack, and the mic. Now looking at the back of the phone, here on the top we have the camera setup, and you get the dual camera setup where the main camera is a 50 megapixel which comes with an aperture of 1.6, and then we have the 2 megapixel depth sensing camera. Next to the camera setup, we get the fingerprint sensor. The back of the phone is shiny and has this bold design, especially with the tagline. Now let's turn on the phone and set it up. So meanwhile we are setting up the phone, let me show you the hardware specification. So we get the Helio P35 octa-core processor, 6.6-inch Full HD plus screen, 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera setup, 8 megapixel front camera with flashlight, 5000 mAh battery. The phone is available in 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, and you can also expand the storage via micro SD card. So the phone is on. Now let me show you first the Android version. So guys, we get the iOS in this phone which is based on Android 11, and here you can see we get the November 2021 security patch. Now talking about the storage, after the first boot, we have approximately 51GB available out of 64GB. Now looking at the camera setup, I have used this phone to click some photos indoors and outdoors, and the camera quality is decent. The AI camera mode detects a scene and changes the settings accordingly. And here are few sample photos from the front 8 megapixel camera. Now about the performance, we have done some benchmarks and played some games on this phone. And about the benchmark, here is a score from the Geekbench, and this is the AnTuTu score. We have also played BGMI on this phone, and this is the max settings available. Apart from that, we have done some casual gaming, and the performance was average, which is expected from this hardware configuration. Now about the display of this phone offers good quality, and we have used this phone for watching movies and videos on YouTube, and I find the Full HD Plus display on this phone very good. So for media consumption, this phone is very good. Now lastly about the OS, we get the iOS 7.6 in this phone, The user interface is simple, and when you turn on the phone for the first time, you get some pre-installed apps in it, such as this audio share, which lets you share audio with up to 3 Bluetooth devices, Hi Party, which allows you to play the same music on 2 or more devices, and then we have some other apps like SoPlay, Xshare, AHA Games, Boomplay, which if you like you can keep in the phone or uninstall. There is also a shortcut menu which comes when you swipe from the left or the right of the screen, and this allows you to open frequently used apps and other settings. So guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Tecno Spark 8T. We will try to do a dedicated review of this phone in a few days time, and guys, do let us know in the comments how you find this phone and would you buy one, and also if you have any queries or questions about this phone, then let us know in the comment section below. Tecno Spark 8T is available to purchase on Amazon for Rs 8,999, and if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's all for now. We hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more smartphone reviews, then let us know in the comment section below. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.